Hi, good morning, welcome back to Mike Makes It. The truck is up to its usual tricks, doesn't like squirting water out. That's not a powerful jet. You've seen an earlier video where I cleaned the tank out, the water tank, the reservoir tank, and replaced the one-way valves, the non-return valves in the water supply, and that helped. But this will be the third time I'm going into it for exactly the same problem. Not cleaning the tank, but the one-way valve, the non-return valve, is causing an issue. I don't think it's the valve that's actually failing as such. I think it's been made to fail. With my windscreen additive, if we spin around here, this is what I've been using. Exactly as the manufacturer suggests. 20%, 30% solution mixed with water, and issues all the way. We'll open it up and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, my particular Land Rover Defender's got two non-return valves, one on the rear wiper and one on the front windscreen. And down here, as I know of old, is where they live. Let me just have a little bit of a fish about. I put a non-standard return valve in for the front windscreen, thinking that would be better. One of these things, we'll take this off. Easier said than done, of course. Right, that's out. Okay, so that's going to go. I don't want to mix these up because there is an in and an out. Right. I've tried these. I had two of these, been through two of them, and the OEM version of the non-return valve. But we'll take this one on the bench. I want to show you what's happened. I got these hoping I could actually take them apart to clean them. Well, I was wrong again on that front. We'll open it up, and I think you'll find the rubber that acts as a one-way valve in here is swollen. It is to some degree. The last one I took out, I couldn't get the lid back on the top, but then I'd let it go a little bit longer than I have this time. At least it's still squirting. So I'm wondering if the solution that I mix in with water is affecting the rubber in some way. Because honestly, in total, I'm just adding up. Let's say the first one I changed was down to the water reservoir being dirty and putting contamination into the valves. But the other four haven't been, because that's spotless now, the reservoir tank. But let's see if I'm right or wrong. I'll go and put one of these in its place, simply plug it in, and we'll see what the water squirt's like. I think it's going to be a lot more powerful than this. So, yeah, here we go, back to the truck. It probably goes without saying, on the back of there's a little arrow which indicates flow of water. So this is from the reservoir, or from the pump. Pop that in. This is out. Pop that in. Now, right, hopefully that'll give you a better view. See what it's like now. See, that is more powerful. That's what I'd expect. So, are those one-way valve, non-return valves consumable? Leave your remarks in the comments by all means, because I wouldn't have thought they're consumable. Yeah, if they fail, they get blocked with dirt and stuff. But not through the use of a detergent that I add to it. Probably nothing to do with the detergent. Maybe it's not. Maybe they are consumable. But yeah, they're only a couple of £1 each, so I bought half a dozen last time. So they're easy to swap out. Maybe that's what I have to do in the future. Anyhow, leave your comments. I'll be happy to hear from you if you have the same experience. Yeah, thumbs up would be great if you found the video interesting. And maybe even subscribe. There'll be more videos coming your way very soon. Thanks for watching.